Hello, welcome to the ILEX Law discussion of how to change a status in the U.S. First of all, in order to change a status, one must first have a valid status in the U.S. That means an individual must have entered America with a valid visa in a non-immigrant status. And that individual must have maintained his or her valid status throughout his or her stay. If someone entered without inspection or fell out of status for any reason, the change of status option will not work. Almost any non-immigrant status can be changed to another status. Tourist visa status can be changed to a student status. Various employment-based classifications can be changed to leisure or derivative statuses, and back and forth. The main requirement for successful filing is that the applicant be qualified for the requested classification. Now, what documents are required? The main form is I-539, Application to Extend or Change Non-Immigrant Status. You'll need to enclose a check for $290, and you will need supporting documentation. What goes into the supporting documentation? Documents to prove your valid entry and maintenance of status, and any documents to prove eligibility for the requested category. So, to answer this question, you have to know what visa you are now holding and what status you want to obtain. For example, if it's a change of status from a tourist visa to a student, you must submit a valid I-94 and an I-20 form issued by an educational institution. If a change of status is from H-1B to H-4, you will need to submit a valid I-94, copy of the approval notice, and copies of the most recent pay stubs to show a valid status. To show the eligibility for H-4, you must attach the spouse's H-1B approval along with the marriage certificate. Please note that there are some exceptions to having a valid status, as some statuses may be reinstated. For example, the F-1 student status. Once the petition is filed, the Department of Homeland Security cashes your check and issues a receipt. On our website, there is a link where you can check processing times for service centers. The time varies anywhere between 3 and 5 months. Feel free to reach out to us with any questions. Our website is ilexlaw.com. Our phone number is 202-367-9138. Thank you for watching.